Finding the perfect place. Finding a good place to stay is all about location. For example, our house is in a great spot. We're a 15-minute drive from the airport, which is perfect for travelers. If you don't have a car, don't worry. We are within walking distance of downtown, where you can find the best restaurants and shops. In terms of travel time, we're 15 minutes away from the airport if traffic is light. Usually, it's a 15-minute drive to the airport terminal. If you need to check in, please let us know at least 24 hours in advance so we can get everything ready. We want to make sure your stay is comfortable and that everything you need is within reach.
Like and subscribe to the channel.